Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a great week. Now in terms, we are nearing the year end already, and that means seasonal holiday collection sets, which is what we are going to be talking about today. But before we delve into that, if you like talking about beauty or you like me talking about beauty, then please do click on that subscribe button because I do post videos every week. And with that being said, you guys, let's jump right into this video. Now, I personally cannot believe that it's coming the year end already, you guys. It seems to me that time has gone by so fast, and partly I think it's due to the pandemic that everything has gone by like in a flash, just like that. So wherever you guys are, please do stay safe, happy and healthy. And you know, in terms to the year end, we already have upcoming holiday season sets, even though we are in October, which we are still in the midst of Halloween, so all the beautiful Halloween looks are coming up. I myself am doing some too, so if you guys want to see that, you can follow my handle on Instagram if you haven't already at penmyblog. So in terms, you guys, we're going to be talking about Fenty Beauty today because they have already released their holiday lip kit sets, and I'm super stoked for this ones because the colors look beautiful. So we're going to do swatches and all that jazz, so let's get down to it. So the first one up is this little beauty that you guys see here. This is the Glossy Posse Holo Daze edition collection. This is their mini gloss bomb, and you have 4 brand new limited edition shades. And inside here we have Baby Brut, Taffy Tease, Cake Shake and Ruby Milk. And not only do they have their mini gloss bombs, but Fenty Beauty has also released 2 brand new limited edition shades for the Stunnas lip paints as well. If you guys are familiar with the formulations for this, it is absolutely beautiful. I use them all the time in my looks, and I think they are one of the most pigmented fluid formulations and easiest to ever work with. So that's that. Inside here you have 2 shades. One is called Unmatched, which is a cool tone red, and another one is in Underrated, which is a deep berry. So with this, I'm going to be swatching the glosses first. I'm going to remove this lip color. This one is by the Face Shop, by the way, you guys. It was their limited edition Coca-Cola one, and it was their signature shade. But I'm going to take this off really quickly, you guys, and we are going to apply on some gloss. So the first one up is in Baby Brut, and it's a translucent peach gloss, and it's got a little bit of specks of silver glitter in it, and the formulation looks like this. Now this next one up is called Taffy Tease. It's a beautiful pink shade, as you guys can see, and also this one doesn't have as much as visible glitters as the previous one, but it does have a very milky formulation that gives beautiful pigmentation. I'm probably most excited about this next shade, you guys, because the color on this is so beautiful, and this is the one in Cake Shake. Now similarly to the shade Baby Brut, which was the first one that we tried out, it does have like glitter specks in it, which makes it more high shine, and the tone of this is such a beautiful like brown bronze, very deep tones, you guys, which you all would know it would be something that I like. So this is how it looks like on the lips, and oh my gosh, you guys, I am living for the shade. And finally, for the last one in the set, we have the one in Ruby Milk. This is probably the deepest and darkest shade of them all, and this one has a very similar formulation to the one in Taffy Tease, so I can say that they come in pairs. So one is a more high shine formulation with glitter specks in it, and another one is more of a milky texture but with stronger color payoff. Now surprisingly, you guys, I really enjoy this color. I honestly, when I first took a look at it, I was like, oh, this is not going to be my shade, but it actually turns out into a really sweet red. It's not too overly like pigmented to a point that it's overbearing, but it just gives a very nice hint of color, which is really, really sweet. So in terms to all these 4, as you guys saw, the formulation is pretty sheer, but I gotta say, out of all of them, my favorite has to be this too. Go figure that I would pick the darker shades out of the bunch, but that's just me, it's preference, you guys. But on overall formulation, super comfortable. I really like the gloss bomb formulation, so this one I kind of knew that I was gonna like them anyway. But in terms of this shades, you guys, I'll probably like layer it on top of, you know, a pre-existing lip liner or a lipstick. I think it would fare better for me because this might be too pale for my skin tone, but these two though, so incredibly beautiful. And this set is already available on Sephora, so you guys can check it out. All the details, of course, will be left in the description box below, so you guys can check out there. But in the meantime, let's move on to the Stunnas lip paints, because you guys, these limited edition shades are calling to me and I need you guys to see them on camera. So let's get it done. So alright you guys, let's talk about the Stunner minis. Now inside here we have two limited edition shades. First one up is called Unmatched, which is a cool tone red, and the other one is called Underrated, which is a deep berry shade. So I'm going to be swatching both of these for you guys. I can just tell by looking at them, I'm going to absolutely love this color. So for the first one up, I'm going to be swatching the shade Underrated. So right you guys, this is how the shade Underrated looks like. It is such a beautiful deep berry shade and it's so complementary to my skin tone. I absolutely love this. This would be a perfect color for Christmas, and it's honestly such a festive color. I absolutely love it. I love how it looks, and it kind of matches with the eye look too, so that's really good. And finally, we're going to be taking the cool tone red. This is in the shade Unmatched, and we're going to be applying that over the lips. Now, I personally really like this shade as well, you guys. This is not the super bright red that, you know, is a showstopper. This one is a more muted down, deeper tone, but it works. And somehow with this sweater and this getup, it works as well. So both are very festive shades, I have to say, and I absolutely love the color payoff for these. They were so easy to apply on. But the only thing that I did not really prefer was the applicator on this. And the reason why I'm saying this, you guys, is because while the applicator is short, this one is really huge. Like the handling of it, it's very comfortable to hold, I'm not gonna lie, super nice to hold. But when it comes to precision and when it comes to seeing how you get your precision, it's just really hard to pinpoint, because you always have to tilt it downwards like this instead of having it straight up. Straight up you can't see the applicator at all, so you tend to like hit and miss certain like areas of your lips, especially if you have really defining like upper lip moments like I do over here where it curves downward. So a recommended tip that I would give you guys if you are getting the minis is to hold it down like maybe at a 45-degree angle and apply it, so you'll just be able to see how precise your lip color goes on, and just to ensure that you don't miss any marks. So right you guys, that is basically it for this week's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and you found the swatches helpful. As always, all the links are listed below in the description box on where to find the products and the price point and all that, so you can always hit it up there for reference. And in terms of what I think about the overall collection, from the mini gloss bombs to the little Stunnas, I think Fenty Beauty has put out an amazing shade range for this. So much so, if ever Fenty Beauty decides to put these two shades out in full size, I would definitely go and get them, because these two are absolutely beautiful. So I guess that basically sums up this video, you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!